Computer,
Yes, Brint?
where are we?
We are in a forest.
What are all those tall green things?
Those are trees.
Those are trees? But their leaves look so weird.
Those are trees that grow in cold places. Most of them stay green all year.
It's too cold here. Let's go someplace warmer. It's warmer in this forest. And the leaves on these trees are much bigger.
Correct.
Oh, it's starting to snow. What's happening to the leaves?
The leaves on these trees change color and fall down when it gets too cold.
Oh, now it's too cold for me too. Let's go somewhere warmer. This is much better. Oh, the trees in this forest are so big and tall.
We are in a rainforest.
Why is it called a rainforest?
It's called a rainforest because it rains almost every day here.
Well, at least it isn't cold.
Papa riding